Welcome back, children. I hope you have studied the last lesson, the poem which I took, Nature School, and you have studied the question answers, meanings, everything. I hope everyone studied that. Now, our new lesson is Our Earth. Okay, this is the first video of the lesson, Our Earth. Our Earth. You know, all of you have seen this picture of Earth, isn't it? It's very beautiful. The Earth is very beautiful to see. When you look around, you can see beautiful mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, sun, moon, stars. Everything can be seen in the Earth, isn't it? When you look around, you can see a lot of beautiful things. So it's very important. It's our planet. Earth is our planet. So it is very important for us to know about our Earth. And you know, it's one of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. And for your knowledge, long time ago, people believed that Earth is not, today we know Earth is round like a ball, isn't it? But in olden days, people thought that Earth is flat thing. It's a flat thing. It's flat. So they believed that if we travel in a ship to around the Earth, they may fall at the edge. So people were afraid to travel in a ship because they believed that Earth is flat. Okay, and it was Christopher Columbus, a scientist, who first told that the Earth is round in shape. It's like a ball. But nobody believed him. When he said that Earth is round like a ball, people were then also afraid to travel in a ship to long distance because they thought that at the edge they may fall down. And it was Magellan who proved that Earth is round in shape. And he was a Portuguese sailor. Magellan was a Portuguese sailor, and he traveled from he traveled from Spain around the Earth. It took 3 years for him to complete his journey and come back to the same place where he started, proving that Earth is round in shape. Okay, so let's start with the lesson, Our Earth, in which it will be more clear to you. So shall we start? Our Earth. Have you ever wondered about the beautiful Earth that we live in? We have rivers, mountains, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. on Earth. We have sun giving light during the daytime and moon and stars at night. So just look around you. You can see the beautiful Earth. It's a very wonderful thing to see, to observe the different things that we see around. Rivers, mountains, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. you can see around the Earth. Please underline when I am reading. I hope you have the worksheets with you. Please underline beautiful, rivers, mountains, lakes, oceans, etc. Okay. Other spellings you know, I think. So it's a very beautiful thing to see. Our Earth is very, very beautiful. Now the Earth that we live in is a part of solar system. I hope you have heard of solar system, isn't it? This is a solar system. So sun is in the middle of the solar system and we have 8 planets revolving around the sun. Okay, which are the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. And you can see a Pluto also here. It was considered to be a planet long back. I mean till 1994 I think. I don't remember the date anyway. It was considered as a planet. Now Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet only. It's not a planet. Okay, so this is the solar system in which we have sun in the middle, and all these 8 planets are revolving around the sun. And see our earth, this is our earth. This is our earth, and we can see the moon also near the earth. Okay, the satellite, moon is the satellite of earth, and the moon is revolving around the earth as well as going around the sun. Most of the planets, not most, all the planets revolve around the sun. Okay, and earth is the Mercury, Venus, earth. Third planet. After Mercury, Venus, earth comes. And it is the 5th largest planet. 5th largest planet in the solar system. The first one being Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then it is Earth. So it is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. So look at the second paragraph. The earth we live is a part of solar system. Please underline solar system. The sun and the 8 planets make our solar system. The 8 planets are, once again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 8 planets revolve around the sun. The 8 planets revolve around the sun. I hope all of you understood this much. You have to learn the name of the 8 planets in the order. Okay, will you study that in order? Okay. Now, in the next page, page number 29. In the past, people had no idea about the shape of earth, and they believed that earth is flat. So I already told you, in the past people had no idea about the shape of the earth. They thought that earth is flat. When we look from a sea or from in an open space, when you look around, you don't feel that earth is round in shape. Okay, so people believed that earth is flat. Christopher Columbus said that the earth is round like a ball. It was Christopher Columbus who said first that earth is not flat, it is round like a ball. But nobody believed him. But sailors at that time did not want to risk their lives to prove that earth is round. So sailor means, who's a sailor? A person who sails in a ship is called sailor. So at that time, people were afraid. Sailors were afraid to move in a ship because they thought they may fall down from earth. If they fall down, they don't know where they are going. At that time, there were no satellites, no other pictures could be taken from outside the earth. So people don't have that much idea about how earth looks like. So they didn't want to risk their lives. And it was Magellan who proved that earth is round in shape. Okay, that we will see in the next video how he proved. Okay. Please read this till here. All of you, please read the lesson till where I have taken and go through the new words. And in page number 25, 26 and 27, the new words are given. Please go through that and write neatly that in the 4-line and study the spellings also. Okay, if any of the spellings you find difficult, please underline it and study the spelling also. Okay, thank you children.